Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best packing solution for your travel needs, the Pinzon Compression Packing Cubes. If you've ever struggled to keep your suitcase organized, or if you're tired of dealing with wrinkled clothes when you travel, these compression cubes are about to change the game. Let's dive into what makes the Pinzon Compression Packing Cubes stand out from the rest. First up, the design. These cubes combine the benefits of both traditional packing cubes and compression sacks, which means you can reduce the volume of your clothes by up to 60%. Whether you're packing a heavy sweater or a bulky jacket, these cubes can squish everything down, saving you plenty of space for other essentials. And don't worry about squeezing too hard. The zippers are tested for durability, ensuring they won't get stuck or break even under pressure. Another impressive feature of these cubes is the material. They're made from lightweight yet durable nylon, with TPU-enforced mesh that adds an extra layer of strength. The mesh allows you to see the contents of each cube, so you don't have to go digging around your bag to find what you're looking for. The material is also water-resistant, which is a great bonus in case of any spills or leaks. Your clothes will stay dry and protected during your travels. But that's not all. These cubes are designed to fit perfectly inside your suitcase or backpack, helping you keep everything organized. The set also includes a laundry bag and a shoes bag, making it easier to separate dirty clothes or keep your shoes away from your clean clothes. Packing can often feel like a daunting task, especially if you're trying to make the most of limited luggage space. But with Pinzon's compression cubes, you'll find that packing becomes a breeze. No more overstuffed suitcases or unnecessary wrinkles in your clothes. The compression cubes help you fit more in your bag, keep your items organized, and protect your belongings. And let's not forget the value. At a very reasonable price, these packing cubes give you great bang for your buck. If you're someone who travels frequently or just wants a better way to organize your clothes, this set is a must-have. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway, a business trip, or a family vacation, these cubes will become your best friend when it comes to packing. So, if you want a smart and efficient way to pack your clothes, the Pinzon Compression Packing Cubes are the answer. With their compression ability, durable material, and thoughtful design, they truly are the best packing cubes on the market. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe to Product Critique for more travel essentials. Happy packing!